Wait to go into the pool after you eat. Don't swallow seeds from watermelons. All good summer health tips. Or are they? Doctors say most of them are myths. So let's break down some of the more popular ones and see if science agrees. You can catch poison ivy from someone else. False. You get poison ivy from the oil of the plant.
If the oil from the plant gets onto tools or gloves or clothes or even a pet, it's possible that you pick it up from there.
Eating watermelon seeds can make you sick. Nope.
The idea that they would sprout within the body or otherwise cause a problem is completely a myth.
Tanning one time in a tanning bed can protect you from the sun's damaging rays. No way.
Tanning doesn't protect you against developing skin cancer. Tanning doesn't protect the skin particularly well from the sun's rays.
You should wait 30 minutes after you eat to go back into the pool. This one depends.
The digestive process it requires blood flow to the stomach, and if you essentially distract your stomach by exercising, leading the blood flow to the muscles instead of the stomach, you might get some stomach cramps.
And going in and out of air conditioning can cause you to catch a cold.
Cold air indoors in the summer does not cause colds. Viruses cause colds.
Best advice for a safe summer? Doctors say use common sense. For today's Health Minute, I'm Susan Hendricks.